Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. So the first thing I do is throw on my Fitband watch because I track my steps and I like to see how many calories I can burn in a day, and this is really what helps me keep on track with my fitness. If you guys do not have a Fitband like an Apple Watch or anything, I highly suggest it just because it really helps you stay on track with your fitness. Usually I fast in the morning, so I like to have water or coffee, and then around 11 a.m. I will start eating. I have been doing this and I've lost 3.5 pounds so far with fasting. I normally fast in the morning, but I found with stop eating around like 8 or 9 p.m. I've seen some really good results, so I'm going to try my hardest to stick with this routine, and I feel like it will be really good for my metabolism and make sure it can help break down anything that I've ate throughout the day when I stop eating late at night. So definitely give that a try. So one thing I like to do is meal prep. So I'm meal prepping today, so I'm going to let this sit in a crock pot while I get ready and do things that I want to do before I have to work today. So on this day I just made a pot roast with some carrots and potatoes, lots of different good seasonings. A lot of them are my fiance's, so I couldn't even tell you where they are from. But this is going to sit for about 6 to 7 hours on low, or you guys can do 3 to 4 hours on high. So I went ahead and broke my fast with some pancakes. I'm using Birch Bender's keto pancakes. Not a huge fan of this pancake mix. I really like the original mix better, so if you guys want to try it, make sure you don't get the keto kind, because I was not a fan. It wasn't very good, but I ate it anyway. But I made some chocolate chip pancakes. I used Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips and some light syrup, and I always like drizzling some peanut butter on top. It's so yummy. And that was my breakfast for this morning. One thing I really like to do is take pictures of my food and give you guys food inspiration. I post a ton on Instagram, so follow me if you guys are not already, because I post a ton on what I eat in a day. So one thing that I like to do every day is just to double check my schedule book. So I open it up, I make sure I'm going to work at the right time, the right place, the right campus. I like to go over my bills to see how much money I'll have left over, you know, for Amazon shopping. Or this month I had to buy some new work scrubs and some nursing school shoes and a couple more things that I wanted to buy for nursing schools. So I was just looking over how much money I had and stuff like that. So definitely it helps me keep on track when I have something that I can look at and keep organized with and make sure it's all into one place. Another thing that I added into my routine is just checking my emails every day. I've gotten a lot more YouTube requests and collaborations through brands, so I've started to read a lot more on those emails and just check and make sure I didn't receive anything. And then I also have a notebook specifically for my YouTube videos and YouTube ideas, and I like to plan out my videos and kind of see what I want to film, your guys' video requests. So if you guys like to leave a video request, make sure you comment down below something you guys would like to see, because I do really like to look for them and make sure I'm filming stuff that you guys really like. So I always look out for my subscribers. And obviously another huge thing that is part of my daily routine is just cleaning our house, you know, your daily dose of dishes and all that fun stuff. So I keep up on laundry, dishes, and meal prepping, and just every day is a struggle to want to do dishes, let me tell you, because I'm the only one who does them. My fiance refuses to do them. He hates dishes, and I do too, but I can't just let them sit there, so I end up doing them, and yeah. guys, but I feel a lot more motivated to do things when my house is clean for the day. I feel like I can't really leave the house until my house is clean, so this really helps motivate me to get up and start being productive. So one of the things I like to do is stretch before a workout. I will either do it at home or at the gym. So this day I was just stretching at home and getting it all loose up, and I was really tense, so I just wanted to loosen up a little bit before I worked out. So at this point I had my healthy little breakfast sandwich that I made, and the crock pot was done, so I ended up splitting that into containers to get ready to take to work. And then at that point I was getting ready for work, and I did put on a little cute outfit. And one thing I like to do is take Instagram photos, or just photos in general, or Instagram stories. I like to just stay active on my social media for you guys, you know, just to make myself present and, you know, give out content. So that's one thing I really like to do, is just take photos and get creative and post things. And I love interacting with you guys, so definitely follow me on social media if you guys have not already. And at this point I was going to work. I had put on my scrubs, my mask, and got my whole life together, and off I went to work. I will see you guys next time. Bye!